Hello, this is my new house. Okay, so I'm about to show it to you. So I'm in the bottom stairs bedroom that I don't live in. I'm looking out the window and there's my garage. And then there's the outside of it. Okay, so we look around and there is the view for the next person that lives here. Big cupboards. Pity I can't have this room because I want to be upstairs. So anyway, I'm coming into the bathroom. I haven't put much up here because I'm usually upstairs. There's my soap. And I'll walk into the laundry. Bought myself this second-hand Samsung washing machine. And I come in there's Daddy's car. Oh, we're looking out into more parkland. And there it is. Okay, so you probably recognise your father's car. This is the downstairs lounge room. Oh, let's look at to see what we've got out here. Ooh, wrong way. Okay, and there it is. And we'll move out here. There's a little toilet downstairs. So let's go up these narrow stairways. Had a lot of trouble getting the fridge up through here. Had to take the door off it. Anyway, get up to the top. And there's my toilet. My sink, I can stay up here. Little kitchen. I'm going to put a microwave on that new fridge I bought. And yeah. It's there. Got to get a garbage bin, I suppose. And there, these new couches I got. How groovy! Little TV watching area for me. Little dining table. Let's go out to the main part. Okay, so from here we can see the parklands. Got this washing line for myself. And there it is. I was sitting there and watched the birdies from here. They nestle around. And I'll keep a dryer out here because it's easier. Dryers have to be outside or need a door open or something. And there it is. There's the top of my garage, which I get the furniture through when it's too big to go up the stairway. There he is, looking into the kitchen. Now let's head back in. There's not much left to see. Okay, and there's my bedroom. There's that TV of yours that you once had. And there we go. A few more birdies to watch from my bedroom. Okay, well that's my new house.